4 marks, algebra and a circle theorem, all in one question. Let's do it. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means that it is a shape with 4 sides in a circle. Angle angle DAB is 3x plus 10 degrees. Angle BCD is 5x minus 6 degrees. Angle ABC is 112 degrees. We're asked to find the value of x and to find angle ADC. Here is the theorem. The theorem states that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilaterals add up to 180 degrees. So it means that angle DAB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees. Now, if you are confused, when we say angle DAB, which is DAB, it means that the angle is at A, which is right here. If we say angle BCD, it means that the angle is at C. So we have at A, we have 3x plus 10 plus 5x minus 6 equal to 180 degrees. So what next? We simplify. So we have 3x plus 5x, which is 8x, plus 10 minus 6 will give us plus 4 equal to 180. So what next? We collect like terms. So plus 4 we move to the right, it becomes a minus 4. So we have 8x equal to 180 minus 4. So we have 8x equal to 180 minus 4 is 176. So to find x, we divide both sides by 8. So divided by 8, divide by 8. So 8 cancel 8. So we have x equal to 8 into 176 will give us 22 degrees. So the value for x is 22 degrees. For part B, we are asked to find angle ADC, which is angle ADC right here. So the angles are D. Again, angle ABC is opposite to angle ADC. So it's angle ABC plus angle ADC will equal to 180. Why? They are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle ABC, the angles at B. So the angle at B is 112 plus angle ADC is unknown. So our angle ADC is unknown, equal to 180 degrees. Remember, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilaterals are equal to 180. So therefore we have ADC equal to 112 move to the right, becomes a minus 112. So we have 180 minus 112. So therefore our angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 112 give us 68 degrees. That is our answer. 4 marks collected. The key is to 1, you spot the cyclic quad. 2, you spot the opposite pairs. You set them equal to 180. That is the whole move all the time. I am Basic 2 Tech. See you in our next video.